Welcome everyone to our next FI configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to maintain a controlling area in SAP. The controlling area is an organizational unit in accounting used to subdivide the business organization from a cost accounting standpoint. So that is the definition of controlling area and the use of controlling area. Now we will see like how to create a controlling area. We can use directly transaction code OKKP or also the SAP path like SPRO, then enterprise structure, definition, controlling area, and maintain controlling area. Press enter here. I have already created previously my controlling area. We will see the details of my controlling area is here. I think yeah, it's here. Here we can see all the details. I have updated the cost center hierarchy also. Component activated. So here we will update the entries, new entries. We will update the fiscal year from 2025 and we'll activate the co-projects also here. Sales order, cost object also. And coming to the assignment of company code, we'll create new entries here. 7075 is our company code. Okay. After maintaining all the information, we need to click on save here. So I think why it's not coming here? I think we have not assigned previously. Okay, we will update this config later on. Click on cancel here. Then press save here. Okay, no worries. Click on continue. Okay. So by this way you can create and update the controlling area in SAP. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.